Welcome aboard. So, wasn't able to go to the boat today. It is Monday, June 8th, 2020. Rained all day. It was a storm here in St. Augustine. But I wanted to do a video tonight. Basically, choose your marina wisely. The story I have to tell to you today, it's a crazy story. It all starts in Tarpon Springs. I've been to a couple good marinas, and I will name those for you right now. I'm currently at the Conch House Marina and Resort at the heart of St. Augustine, Florida. They have 200 boat slips. It is an awesome marina, great staff, great dock master, and it's just a hell of a great place to be on the weekends. They have bands playing. It's an awesome marina. Right before I went to the Conch House Marina, when I traveled from Tarpon Springs to St. Augustine, I first landed in Marineland Marina, and that place was awesome as well. I was on the seawall. I was on the wait list for one of the slips, but it was kind of far away from me. It was about 45-minute drive from me, but I love that place. It's a great location, great boating in Marineland Marina. Basically, it's right south of St. Augustine, so it's between Palm Coast, Florida, and St. Augustine, Florida, on the edge, basically. So that's a great marina. When I was at Captain Jack's, I was in Tarpon Springs. I moved the boat to Captain Jack's, Tarpon Landing Marina. Awesome marina. They had a great wet slips, and you had the bar restaurant. So 100 feet away, I had the bar and restaurant that we would go hang out, have drinks, have a good time. But the pitfalls of marinas, not those marinas, those are the awesome marinas. Let me tell you the story. I'm not going to name this marina, but whoever wants to know about what this marina is, what the name of it is, just send me a personal message and I'll inform you on the only marina in Tarpon Springs not to go to. I had a problem with the shore power cords. There was reverse polarity on the dock side, and it almost burned down my boat. My shore power cord, when it was attached, it melted. Smoke filled my entire boat, and the shore power cords were melted where I connect them into the boat, melted. I called the dock master, the office, and I say, you have an issue with your shore power at the dock. You need to fix it. The SOB's there. Instead of getting an electrician out there to actually figure out what the problem was, they got a forklift operator to come down and check the electrical box. And a couple other random guys who are probably 18 to 20 years old who have no knowledge of anything. After 3 days of this, I called up and I just wanted to fix the problem, right? Just fix the problem at the dock. That's fine. I spent the $250, $300 on new shore power cords and new connectors. I rebuilt that, but I wanted them to fix the dock. But they refused. They were like, there's nothing wrong with it. We found nothing wrong with it. And I proved, it was a proven fact that their dock was the wiring was all screwed up in it. I switched connectors, and I isolated the one that was reverse polarity. And I had a guy that was an electrician that came out with me, and he was like, yeah, their docks are messed up. The dock master blamed me for his dock screwing up, right? So I gave him a couple choice words, and anybody who knows me knows that I can have my days. And I basically told him to F off. And he threatened to say to consider this your 30 days notice. I said, you SOB, blah, blah, blah. Consider this my 30 days notice, and you'll be in contact with my attorneys. We're going to sue your ass, and blah, blah, blah. He was like, whoa, whoa. And because I told him, I said, my boat almost burned down in your marina. And I just went off on the guy. He came within 30 minutes, and then still tried to blame me for his problem. So I basically, within 24 hours, I called up Tarpon Landing Marina, and the dock master, they were a great guy. He also knows it was like the son of the owner at this other marina. He was like, that's a SOB, don't worry about it. We got a slip for you, come on board. So within 24 or 48 hours, so called him the next day, signed the lease, and within 48 hours, I was out of there. So you have to be very careful about the marinas you go to. And my suggestions to you, and I was only at that marina because when I bought the boat, it was physically at that marina. And this marina is notorious for destroying boats. They have a high and dry facility. And before I left Tarpon Springs, one of the guys from the yacht club had to go over there because one of his friend's boats fell off the forklift and busted all over the concrete. So I'm not going to name that marina. So people who are from Tarpon Springs know about this marina. But if you want to know about it, just message me. But I'm not going to say their name out loud. I'm not going to bash them exactly over YouTube. But it was a hell of an experience. And when you choose your marina long term, so if you're trying to find a long-term marina, first go to the marina and walk around. Walk around the marina. Find the owners that are on their boats. Ask the owners, be like, hey, can you tell me about this marina? How about the dockmaster? How's the shore power here? How's electricity here? How's the water? Are they responsive to you? And you'll get candid answers from all the owners or leases of those boat slips, and you'll get pretty straight answers. For instance, when I first moved the boat here, I was thinking about being on St. John's River, but that's not my lifestyle. My lifestyle is the ocean and being near the inlet and going out ocean fishing whenever I want. And it would have been 50 miles to go around Jacksonville to go into St. John's. I mean, those marinas aren't bad. They were a lot cheaper, I would say. I mean, I would be spending $350 a month at a slip over there. But it's just, and choose your marina for your lifestyle. If you want to go to sandbars on the ocean side versus being in a river, and you have two choices, well, what do you want to do with your boat, basically? And I am just so happy we're at Conch House Marina now. This is where it's only about 10 to 15 minutes away from the boat, depending on traffic, from my house. So I get to go there anytime. I didn't go there today because it was raining all day, and it was like a massive storm that with 40-knot winds that rolled through. I'm fluffing another tonight because I worked out. I'm going to do a video in the future of boater's physique, and I'm going to show you my workout routine. I was going to save that for another video. But I do P90X and elliptical, and the past month I had friends come over on the weekends. I've been partying. I've been drinking beer. I'm going to stop drinking beer, and my buddy Matt does margaritas, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start drinking some margaritas. Yeah, I think that'd be low calorie, right? Less than beer. But I wanted to show you something that you can see over here. I am also an amateur treasure hunter. And I plan to find the galleons off the coast of Florida. There's a couple galleons with a lot of Spanish gold out there. So let me show you this beast of a machine. This is the Excalibur 2. This is an underwater metal detector. You have your underwater headset. You can use all the cool controls with it. I can go 200 feet underwater with this Excalibur. I don't have diving equipment to go 200 feet offshore, but I go onshore with this, and I'm sure there's a lot of cool coins in St. Augustine that I could find. So, yeah. I don't have any Tony Pearls of Wisdom today. I haven't checked it out, but if you guys want more videos, give me some suggestions for topics, because I want to keep this channel all boating related. Any topic that you wanted to know about from a boater. So if you're a non-boater out there and you're wondering any specific question regarding boating, I can answer it for you. I've experienced a lot in the past year. I've learned so much. So please, if you like these videos, like and subscribe. Most of my videos will be on the actual boat. But today, it's just raining, and it's not fun going out there when it's raining. So as again, guys, stay safe. this weekend. Man, I might be out of town this weekend on a trip, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to go to the boat and do boating this weekend. But we're going to take the kayaks out. So stay tuned for that. And as always, like and subscribe, help the channel out. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers so I can monetize this channel and grow the channel. I plan to do a lot of things with this YouTube channel, guys. So give me that thumbs up and subscribe. So as always, stay safe, and we'll see you tomorrow.